my first time. That's my boy.
It is my sacred duty to initiate you in the ways of true happiness. I have chosen an extra special troll just for you. The happiest, most positive, sweetest troll of all. And because every prince deserves a princess, I give you the one they call Princess Poppy.
Please make me happy, Princess Poppy.
What are you feeling?
That one's rotten.
Don't worry, sire. We'll find them.
I think I hear something.
We got Poppy. Pass her to me.
Here comes Poppy.
Here she is.
There's my princess.
King Peppy, some of the others can't keep up.
No troll left behind!
Thank you, King Peppy. Thank you, King Peppy.
Thank you.
Thank you, King Peppy.
No troll left behind!
Daddy, where are they?
Don't just stand there. Make my son happy.
He will be happy.
I don't think King Peppy made it.
When I say no troll left behind, I mean no troll left behind!
King Peppy, where's Princess Poppy?
Don't worry, she's safe.
No, troll left behind.
Once upon a time, in a happy forest, in the happiest tree, lived the happiest creatures the world has ever known. The trolls. They loved nothing more than to sing and dance and hug. Dance and hug and sing and dance and sing and hug and dance and hug and dance and sing and hug and dance and hug and dance and But then one day, the trolls were discovered by a bird. Birds didn't know how to sing, or dance, or even hug. They were the most miserable creatures in all the land. And once they saw how happy the trolls were, they wanted some of that happiness for themselves. Eating a troll made them feel so happy, they started a tradition. Once a year, every year,
Thank you, King Peppy. Thank you, King Peppy.
No troll left behind!
Daddy, where are they?
Don't just stand there. Make my son happy.
He will be happy.
Thank you for